love the channel and find it useful in becoming a happy retiree. Subscribe today. Tony from Brooklyn. What's going on, Tony? How can I help?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great, man. What's going on?
I'm just trying to figure out how the new tax cut is going to affect my pension that I have.
All right. What are your numbers? What's your gross income?
Okay, my gross income, would that include the rental income too?
Sure. Oh yeah.
Okay, it would be $98,000.
Got it. And then you live in New York City or just New York? I guess you're Brooklyn.
I'm in New York City.
And Brooklyn doesn't count as New York City proper, does it? Oh, look,
Okay.
see, I'm all the way in this. You're calling me in Atlanta, man. I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's not New York City, 98,000.
No.
Are you married or are you single?
I'm single.
You're single. And you are under 65.
Yes.
How much do you itemize it usually in any given year in deductions?
Well, I just checked my last year's tax returns. I itemized $19,500.
And what in that count? Well, how much do you pay in property taxes?
I pay around $7,000 to $8,000.
Okay, 8,000, and mortgage, interest, charity, medical deductions. Let's see here. You're in that camp where, let's see, if you have 8,000 in property taxes, and then you have mortgage, interest, charity, medical, all the other deductions are probably another, let's call it for you, another 11,500. And you have no dependents.
No.
Yeah, your taxes are pretty flat from what I can tell, Tony. I mean, this says this is an estimation from, and you can do this yourself too. Go to taxplancalculator.com on this. The tax reform bill, it says that you'd save $227. So it's pretty much flat in what I can tell from a federal perspective, Tony. And part of what I've seen here is I've done a lot of these calculations. If you're single, you're a pretty high income earner, you've got no kids, and not a lot of, and you've got some itemized deductions, and maybe some of those are going to go away in these high tax states where you've got your property taxes. Remember, your state income tax and your property tax, that's the SALT deduction, state and local income taxes, that gets capped now at $10,000. So SALT is capped, and that's, that can really be, that's part of why, as I do this calculator for you, it looks as though you're not going to get a huge tax deduction because you're losing some of that SALT deduction. State and local tax deduction for you, capped at $10,000. And that's part of the reason your taxes don't go down a lot. They mostly stay flat. Hi, I'm Wes Moss, and thanks for taking a minute to hear about what's so different about my new book, You Can Retire Sooner Than You Think. So unlike other retirement books, this book will give you a step-by-step guide, whether you're in your 20s or 30s or 40s or 50s, to learn from what these successful and happy retirees did to get there. I hope you enjoy the book, but more importantly, I know that it'll help you retire sooner than you think.